In the meantime, federal health officials are warning that the number of coronavirus cases in the nation could balloon over the next couple of days as those testing results now come in. This as millions of Americans are out of work and also global markets are in a tailspin.
Just another brutal day for the markets. Take a look at here. The Dow finishing the day more than 1,300 points down, closing below 20,000. The Nasdaq down 344. The S&P fell at 131. The White House and Congress are now working to inject the economy by offering payments to Americans. CBS 2's Natalie Brand has this now from Washington.
President Trump is calling the coronavirus the silent enemy in a pandemic war.
We're going to defeat the invisible enemy.
Today, he invoked emergency powers that would allow his administration to ask American industry to make medical supplies if necessary. He and Canada's Prime Minister also announced the closing of the northern border to non-essential travel.
The ayes are 90.
On Capitol Hill, the Senate passed an emergency relief bill that includes free coronavirus testing, as well as paid sick days and family leave. Lawmakers are also working on a $1 trillion rescue package. The Trump administration wants money for the airline and hotel industries, help for small businesses, and direct payments for everyday Americans starting next month.
We are moving rapidly because the situation demands it.
GM, Ford, Chrysler, Toyota announced they're suspending production at their North American factories. And as restaurants begin to close their doors, one Phoenix owner is vowing to help.
We're going to use the food here to try to feed our employees' family.
From a Costco in Los Angeles to a food pantry in Houston to schools around the country, people lined up for food and essentials. On Wall Street, trading halted again to stop a free fall, and the New York Stock Exchange announced it will temporarily close the floor and move to fully electronic trading starting Monday.
The president also indicated today the administration is looking into the possibility of a self-swab test and whether that's as effective. Health officials warn the number of cases is about to spike as more tests get processed.
It will be 5 to 6 days worth of tests being run in 24 to 48 hours.
Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.